The fetal heartbeat bill proposes to outlaw abortions as soon as a doctor can detect a heartbeat. That's about 6 weeks into pregnancy. If this Iowa bill were to be passed, it would be the strictest abortion ban in the nation. The bill was passed by the Senate and is now in the hands of the Iowa House of Representatives. The fetal heartbeat bill is not drawing bipartisan support. It is almost entirely supported by the Iowa Republican lawmakers, but most Democrats are on the opposite side. Republican Senator Mark Segabar campaigned on his pro-life stance and is excited about this legislation.
The heartbeat bill and I support that because there's a natural thought here is that we know your person is dead when the heartbeat stops. So doesn't it follow logically that life must begin when the heartbeat starts or when you can detect a heartbeat?
On the other side of the aisle, Democratic Senator Joe Bolcom says this bill is violating women's reproductive rights.
This is really the latest form of GOP harassment and coercion of Iowa women, and it's completely unnecessary. The last thing women need when they make their health care decisions are meddling politicians.
The House will vote on the bill later today. Reporting from the Iowa State Capitol in Des Moines, Alexis Tanzi, DI-TV News.